Coffee's ready if you'll have some. Breakfast should be finished soon. The paper called for sun tomorrow. It looks like rain the whole day through. Morning left us both defeated. The mailman left another bill. The hallway closet's overflowing with all those shoes too big to fill. So what's that song you used to sing me? What's that dance we used to do? Is this house quiet or just empty? Do you hear the silence as loud as I do? You don't say it like you mean it, and I don't mean it like I say. The morning left us both defeated, and it's just been one of those days. So I'll have dinner on the table, and you can help me pour the wine. The paper called for sun tomorrow. If we make it through tonight. There's black ink on blue lines, but all I am is one notch in a bedpost, or at most the ghost that keeps you warm, just the ghost. We went searching for some comfort by using one another, both needing lovers of some sort. But it was vile and it was cheap, how we trade for what we need, with words and curves behind closed doors. Bought the lines I needed from you, slipping out of that dress and my high-heeled shoes. I guess I needed my fix too. I spent the night so you spent your words, and we both got hooked, we both got burned, 'cause I moved the way that you like, and you fed me your best lines. We took one more hit of skin and script. You lose me in your sleep, tucked beneath the same sheets that shelter my bare skin, and I lose my mind when I rewind every time I tasted your sweat. I breathed your heat in, 'cause the only way you keep me warm now is burning lyrics I wrote down. Bought the lines I needed from you, slipping out of that dress and my high-heeled shoes. I guess I needed my fix too. I spent the night and smoked your words till we both got high. It all got worse, 'cause I loved you like you needed. You became my addiction, sweet and sick, with one more hit of skin and script.
You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally great, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Or just say no? I know we can't pick and choose. I might just fall for you. It's not all win nor lose. No black and white, there's color too. And I know how bad this sounds, but the silence is too damn loud. Guess you're not that bad. Did I say that? What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely, so unlike me. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand this. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Or just say no? Should I say no? Should I say no? I can't say no. I can't say no. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no, I can't say no. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I know I'm falling for the villain, and it's a really, really bad decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no.
Waking up, it's gone. It leaves us feeling cold again. Picking up the stones our hands were made to feel. And moments like these, they show us what we've got when we ain't got a thing. We've got us. 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 Yes! His eyes look infected. His left ankle is bruised. Taking happiness for granted. Mistakes happen, you and I will learn. And moments like these, they show us what we've got when we ain't got a thing. And still we've got us. 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 Deceitful intentions, so painful the sky.